तुम्हारा 36 का आंकड़ा है. जस्ट बी, डोंट बी कि मैं एकदम सत्यवादी. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those who don't know, my name is Swara and today we're going to talk about 10 things that will instantly make you look cooler. So जो मेरे वीडियोस देखते हैं वो obviously cool category में आ ही जाते हैं. So anyways, you make people feel included. I think this is very important. Like अगर तुम्हारा friend group है और तुम actually like include कर रहे हो लोगों को, ऐसा नहीं है कि you make them feel not included. You make them feel seen and that is very cool trait I can say, because बहुत लोग ऐसे left out feel करते हैं and then they usually feel bad about themselves. Making people feel good, making them feel included is a very good trait. You minding your own business. I think इसमें भी it is very cool if you just mind your own business and कोई ड्रामा या chaos में फंसे ना रहो. You are just being you know. It's just like कि तुम खुद का काम कर रहे हो and then it's over. The next one would be kind to people but mean to mean people. You know what I'm saying? कि तुम अच्छे रहो अच्छे लोगों के साथ and जिनसे तुम्हारा 36 का आंकड़ा है, just be, don't be कि मैं एकदम सत्यवादी हूँ and I want to be good as a person. Like of course you're being good but you just can't be like Gandhi ji. You just can't be like that in this Kalyug. So yeah, just be kind, be nice, be happy to the people who deserve it and not to everyone. So yeah, give compliments. Yeah, if you give compliments, bro, you are my best friend. Like if you give compliments to people, they feel very happy, very seen. For example, I am going to college and फिर मैंने देखा कि there is this girl who's dressed up and she's done a makeup and मुझे genuinely वो अच्छी लगी. So I'll just go and like just tell her कि bro, you look very pretty, you look very beautiful. Imagine that is going to make her day. Yes, even if somebody comes up to me and then tells me you look very beautiful, you look very nice, yeah, that is going to make my whole day. You give compliments, you are a very cool person. I am just going to be your friend. Yeah, instantly. Taking care about your health is also very topmost in this. Taking care of your health, working out, meditating. If you have anger issues or whatever in general, meditation is also going to help you to concentrate and making you a little stress free. Yeah, working out, of course ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि biceps and like abs के लिए workout, but just अपनी health को prioritize भी करो. Effortless effort, yes. या imagine तुम चीज़ें पहले से ही करके रख रहे हो, या फॉर एग्जाम्पल तुम्हारा एग्जाम है एंड तुम एक हफ्ते से पहले से ही तुम्हारा प्रिपरेशन हो चुका है, तुम अभी एंड मोमेंट पे इतना एफर्ट नहीं डाल रहे हो, सो तुम्हारा इतना, और फिर बस एंड में रिविजन में जस्ट गोना स्क्रॉल, बस इतना है, पीडीएफ्स पढ़ा है या वट एवर नोट्स है, तुम इतना पढ़ रहे हो, बस दैट इज एफर्टलेस एफर्ट. तुम कोई इतना एफर्ट डाल नहीं रहे हो, जस्ट बीइंग एफर्टलेसली एफर्ट. यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? एफर्टलेसली. You take a joke. Yes, if you can take a joke. तो हर चीज में offend नहीं होते. Like ओ तूने ऐसे कैसे बोला मुझे, तुमने ऐसे कैसे बोला मुझे ना bro, ठीक है, you can take a joke. Of course कोई एकदम बड़ा joke नहीं होना चाहिए that will obviously just gonna attack you and make you feel really bad about yourself. But हाँ, ऐसा कोई joke है तो stand up for yourself and talk it out. But कोई simple joke है, just खुद joke लेना सीखो. You would be a cool person, trust me. हर चीज में ऑफेंड होने वाले लोग और लाइक मुझे ऐसे कैसे बोला, इट्स जस्ट नॉट गोना वर्क. बी ओरिजिनल. आई फील तुम लोगों से इंस्पिरेशन ले सकते हो कि ड्रेसिंग अप लाइक दिस और बिहेविंग अस, टॉकिंग इन अ सर्टेन वे, बट लोगों से इंस्पिरेशन लो. डोंट कॉपी देम, दैट इज जस्ट गोना मेक यू अनकूल. Genuinely just really uncool. Be you, be original, be how you are. You should be uncomfortable with comfort. You know what I mean? If you be in your comfort zone, you won't be able to grow. तुम comfort zone में lazy हो जाते हो and laziness is going to kill your growth. So just get comfort, get comfortable with being uncomfortable. And lastly, you let people be themselves. You don't call them out for being cringe, you don't criticize them, don't demean them. That is actually like a very cool trait. You let them be themselves, you let them be comfortable being themselves actually around you, so they will be the true you around yourselves. If you do any of these things, you are a cool person, trust me. And if you do all the 10 things, you'll be like a really cool person. we can be best friends. Yeah, you heard that right. We can be best friends too. So that's it for this video, and comment down your favorite habit. So yeah, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.